Whether you're blocking out street noise, noisy neighbors, or creating a professional sound recording space, soundproofing a room can make life way more comfortable. Follow these simple steps for professional level soundproofing. For professional door soundproofing results, attach acoustical foam panels to the door. To install, first remove the doorknob. Attach a foam panel using adhesive. Spray adhesive to the door and allow the product to become tacky. Then apply the foam to the prepped area. Trim any excess foam with a utility knife around door hardware. Make sure the door still opens and closes easily. A creaky floor is a nuisance for anyone who enjoys quiet. For soundproofing floors, add rubber mats or gym flooring. Use the interlocking method to connect them together. Then, utilize a utility knife to trim off the edges for walls and corners. Roll out a rug for additional soundproofing. Acoustic wall paneling is a great way to soundproof your walls. Use adhesive spray to attach to the wall. Spray the adhesive and allow a few minutes for the wall to become tacky. Then position the foam over the prepped area and push into place. Or you can drill impaler clips into the wall. Then press the acoustic panels into the clips to secure in place. Then install your last soundproof panel. That's all it takes to soundproof your room like a pro. Now you're ready to get started. Here's a full list of tools and materials you will need. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.